yet. Wait a minute. Boop. Alright. Hey everyone, Mason here. Welcome back to another video. And today, we just got done filming videos. Go check those out. Those shorts.
Growing. Good job.
Last race I got last.
Green flag. Here we go. It's home. Whoa! You're gonna wreck both of them. That's good. Stay right there. We'll get some more. Keep digging. You'll get them. Closing in on the front. Let's go. Keep it up. You're gaining on them. Keep pushing. You gain the middle of the car in front. Keep digging. You'll get them. Keep it up. You're gaining on them.
Let's go ahead and do that video right now. No. Alright, this is my channel. Home to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Alright, we're starting from the top.
We could be legends after all. Hey, whoa, whoa. We could be legends after all. Hey, whoa, whoa. We could be legends after all. You remember growing up. We could be legends after all.
One was good. Alright. Before that, which at this time getting drafted. And we got drafted from the farm. And we come back to get shot. Getting out of bed. That one's got outside. But bam.
Stay awake till go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee
Just start
for your
filming.
head. They'll get you up and going out of bed.
We're basically doing all the shorts.
Are you ready? Ball ready, ball ready. Ball ready, ball ready. Here I go, here I go. Here I go, here I go.
babe, I'm ready. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
And here, welcome back to another video. And today
I'm
we're
so
going to be
quiet.
doing another workout
No.
video.
Want to see me where? I go until I'm zero. Right, I'm start. This video is probably pointless. I guess you just want me to watch NASCAR. But what do you want me to play next? Black Mango. I'm gonna play Black Mango. I'm gonna try. Oh, my setup. I've done this parkour. I get nothing. This video is already made. Yeah, hurry up.